Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shailaja Kale, diabetologist from Pune. And today in next 15 to 20 minutes, we are going to discuss about few aspects of heart problems once someone has diabetes. So once someone gets a condition called as diabetes of high blood sugar, actually what it is telling us that this person is at a more risk for heart problems. So whenever it comes as a in diabetes, you can see these blood vessels, they get choking, and as the pipe rust, these blood vessels become thicker and thicker. So there is a difficulty when the blood flows through these blood vessels. Same thing happens about all the arteries in the body, but particularly in the heart, there is a big choking and person can get a serious heart problems. This heart disease is more common if someone has diabetes. So diabetes is actually a heart problem which we diagnosed by checking blood sugar. So it's not only blood sugar, it's mainly what we are treating is your heart and mainly kidneys. So heart disease comes parallel to the world as diabetes. So whenever we say that diabetes creates complications or diabetes produces problems, actually the line is like this: poorly controlled diabetes creates problems. So when I say poorly controlled diabetes, this doesn't mean only sugar. So if diabetes is under control, the blood vessels can remain healthy, elastic, and they remain compliant. And once we have a good control of diabetes, we can avoid all these complications, maybe heart, maybe kidney, maybe brain, or maybe the nerves. So neglected and poorly controlled diabetes we should avoid. So what is poorly controlled diabetes? So this picture is actually showing you the arteries of the heart. You can see it here, and this choking has just started. Here the choking is quite a bit, which is almost 80%. And when this choking happens in the arteries of the heart, that is coronaries, you get a problems like heart attacks. And this choking can be reduced with the help of medicines, lifestyle change, and a good diabetes control. When I say good diabetes control, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. I want to stress it again and again. Good diabetes control doesn't mean only sugar. So let's see what it is. So risk of heart disease whenever there is a diabetes in person in front of us, I cannot treat a person unless I know 1, 2, 3, 4. So only sugar reports are absolutely not sufficient if I want to treat that person. So how the heart disease increase? If there is a diabetes, blood pressure. Addition of blood pressure in diabetes increase heart problem. Increasing age, there will be more problems. Presence of smoking, heart problems are many times more. Obesity, central obesity, waist circumference, that is the bad fat inside our abdomen, that is bad. All these things, along with some blood tests which we do like your lipid profile, cholesterol, triglycerides, lipoprotein little a, sugar, what is your HbA1c, urine microalbumin, these are very important tests which all of these things decide that how much is risk category for that particular person for heart problems. Depending on in which risk category someone is there, one can plan aggressive treatment, aggressive investigations, and many kind of different drugs which are very helpful. Someone is at a very early stage, we know lifestyle intervention helps tremendously. And many of the studies have shown that like preventing a problem, lifestyle changes are more important than treating with drugs.